Hey guys, welcome back. So in the previous video we have seen how to use the action class for using the keyboard and clicking on certain keys on the keyboard. In the same way, now we will use the action class for the mouse movements. Okay, let me show you a website. So this is a website which I have created. It's just a sample page in this website. In this, if you bring your mouse at this menu drop down, it will open up three more links in this. Okay, and I can move my mouse pointer to any one of them and it will open up that website. Like it has opened Google. In case I have to open Yahoo, it will open up Yahoo. In case I need to open up the login, it will click on login. Okay, so this menu which we are seeing right now, it's not the menu which we get through the select class. Okay, for the select class menu we have a different way through which we can open the menu and select something from the menu. So this is a select menu which we have tried through the select class. Okay, but those menus are different, and this is the menu which only gets open when we move our mouse pointer onto those menu. It open up automatically. Okay, it is not the normal drop down menu. It is the drop down menu which gets opened up automatically when we move our mouse pointer and then click on any of the link. So let's see how we can code that. So this is the class which I have created. I have already written the pre-setup condition, that is system.setProperties, and instantiating a driver, and then we are opening a page through driver.get. Okay, now in order to move my mouse pointer on this, I have to get this element. So I will do a right click and click on inspect. Okay, so so it says it is a button and its class name is drop btn. So if I see its XPath, it would be / and then button. Okay, and here I can give @ class equal to, I can just copy this one. I can do a double click, Control C, copy here, and close the bracket. Alright, so that is successfully finding my element. So this is my correct XPath. And if I want to store that into some element, I need to give web element equal to, I can give it as my main menu. Okay, I'm giving the name as my main menu. All right, wait, I have put equal to here, so I have removed it. Okay, and here I need to give the command of driver.findElement so that it can find that element for me. So I will type driver.findElement, and I can give anything here, but I would give XPath inside this because we have already find it out. So under this find element, okay, I will give by.xpath. All right, I can give the XPath expression here, which is I already copied, and I will end that up. All right, so this is our first element which we have find out. And now on this website, you will see I want to click on the login link. So I will find that XPath of this by clicking on inspect, and it is a id equal to link3. So I will again give something like this as my XPath, and it would be a @id equal to, I think it was link3. Yes. So if I click on this, so it is link3 only. Okay, so this is the correct XPath, and now I can just copy this one. Okay, and I can give this XPath here. All right, and maybe I can just change this name. I can give it as my link. Alright, so we have already found the locator for these two elements, and now I have to use my action class so that I can do movement from my mouse. So for that you will know it would be action with the S, and I need to give its variable name equal to new actions, and I need to pass driver into that. Alright, so we have created the action class here, and now I can just give actions dot, and we have different methods as you know, but here I will call move to element, and then I need to give my element here name here, so that is my main menu. So I want my mouse to get moved to this. Alright, so once it is moved to this, I again want to move the element, so I will choose, okay, move to element, and then I can get my second locator. Okay, so I have get my second locator. So once it get moved to that element, I want to click on that. Okay, and when everything is done, I can call perform. So here I'm not calling the build method, I'm directly calling the perform method. Okay, so this is my complete code through which it will be able to click on that sub menu link. Alright, so it will move my mouse pointer here and click on this, and it should get open like this. Okay, so let me just close that out. I think we are all good to go. So do a right click, run as Java application. Okay, it has opened the website and it has successfully clicked on that menu item. Alright, so this has been done through the mouse movement. Okay, so this is the way we can do the automation of these kinds of overlay screen which comes up when we are doing an automation. Alright, and if any one of you have any issues with the action class, let me know. And also want to let you know, whenever you type any command or you give any command, just try to see the details of that. So I have already installed a decompiler on my Eclipse, which you can also do. I have installed JAD decompiler, which you can install from the marketplace from here at the top. Okay, install new software, or maybe you can go to Eclipse marketplace and just type JAD decompiler. And once you do that, you can go inside those classes and inside those methods to see what are the details of that. For example, if you see, so it is an action class. If I click on that, okay, see here is the action class, and you can see there would be many methods given under that action class, like key down and all the other things. Okay, if I want to see this method, select by index, or maybe if I go to a mouse over, move to elements, I can just click on this, and you can see under the action class there is a method called move to element, and it returns an action object. Okay, so that's a reason we are able to type click move to element again, because what this method will do, when we say actions.move to element my main menu, it will again return me an action object. And again I am clicking on dot move to element, then it again give me an action object, and then I will able to click dot click. That is the reason you are able to do everything into one single line by separating it with dot. Okay, so this is the way whenever you are doing any coding, just see what are the details of that class are, what are the details of that method are, so that you can get in more insight of the entire framework. Just make it a habit to do so. All right, thank you so much for watching.